Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Higgsfield AI for real estate. So what is Higgsfield? Higgsfield AI is a browser-based AI video and image generation platform that uses text, imagery, and cinematic motion presets. All you have to do is to create an account right here. For creating an account, you can create it for free. All you have to do is to answer these basic and simple questions. Now, this AI tool is commonly used for marketing, social media content, and branded visual like this one. Now, the question is how real estate pros can use Higgsfield AI. So, if you want to continue using Higgsfield, you have to upgrade or you have to avail one of its plans. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to use Higgsfield AI for real estate. First and foremost, you have to choose from any of its features. You want to create a video out from the specific photo with correct or exact prompt. So what you're going to do here is tap on videos. And then here in the start frame, you have to simply click this one and then upload the image from your device. Let's just say this image is an empty room or a room inside the house. Now, once you have uploaded the picture, you have to scroll down and then below you will see here add prompt. What you're going to do is you go to ChatGPT and ask a correct prompt like this. For example, if you want to have each item inside the empty room pops up. So you can ask ChatGPT for that. After that, ChatGPT will generate a prompt. Just copy, go back to Higgsfield, and then paste the prompt. After that, tap on generate. However, this is not for free like what I've said, but this is the steps on how to use this Higgsfield AI for real estate, like promotion, ads, and so on. So you have to unlock this feature in order for you to use this. However, I'm going to show you the result once you have copy or once you have generated a correct prompt from ChatGPT and upload the image from your device. So this is what it looks like once you use one of the features here on Higgsfield AI for your real estate. Anyways, the prompt is all about each item should pop up here inside the empty room. So as a result, this is what it looks like. So you can create a longer, a better version on Higgsfield once you have added the correct prompt or ask ChatGPT for the proper prompt for your real estate promotion. So this is how easy it is to use Higgsfield AI for real estate. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.